Number 1. GLX M14 Cruiser Scooter Motorcycle Half Helmet. The M14 exhibits a dynamic and innovative layout configuration, extensive fabrication, as well as internal pampering presenting specific plush inner liner components to exceed DOT certification standards. Integrated sun shield designed to deploy and retract promptly. Useful in minimizing time adjusting and maximizing time enjoying. Free smoke shield protects from 99% of the sun's damaging UV rays. Number 2. ScorpionEXO R1 Air Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. Multi-layered Ultra TCT shell combines fiberglass, aramid, and polyresin fibers which minimize weight while maximizing strength and impact dispersal. Number 3. ILM Motorcycle Helmets. DOT and ECE safety standards mean the motorcycle helmet performs better in impact attenuation and other tests, greatly improving impact absorption capacity. ABS shell with black EPS liner means the helmet is brilliant in lightweight and strength. ILM has been working to create a perfect helmet for motorcycles, street bikes, racing, motocross, ATVs, cruisers, etc. Number 4. AGV K3 Compound Black-Red Helmet Large. An AGV icon, evolving towards perfection. K3 is AGV's full-face road helmet that takes all the characteristics of a versatile, safe helmet to outstanding levels. It offers safety for all, at the highest levels, the shell made of high-resistance thermoplastic material. Number 5. CARDO PACKTALK Pro Motorcycle Helmet Communication System Intercom. Crash detection. Silently watching over you when you need it the most, auto on-off. We got it figured out so you don't have to. Sound by JBL audio system with 45mm speakers. Big sound is back, air mount. Patented magnetic mount. Simple and secure, second generation DMC. Easy grouping. Auto healing. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel.